In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Emergent AI code file without subscription. We'll walk through how to open your Emergent AI workspace in the browser and save a code file straight to your computer. You don't need a paid plan for this workflow, but you do need legitimate access to the project. Always follow the platform's terms and keep any credentials private. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Emergent AI site. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account. Once you land on the home page, look to the top navigation and choose the code view. Depending on your layout, you might be coming from the chat area, but the goal is to get to the section where Emergent shows the code workspace controls. On this page, you'll see options to connect to the web-based editor. There's usually a unique link generated for your session, and in some cases, a temporary password appears alongside it. Copy the link first so you can open the workspace directly. If a password is shown, copy that as well and keep it confidential. Don't share it in chats or screenshots. If you prefer an even quicker route, use the Open in Browser button. That launches the editor, typically a familiar VS Code style interface in a new tab. If you use the copied link and password, paste the link into a new tab and provide the password only when prompted. Either way, after a brief load, you'll see your project's file explorer on the left. Next, locate the file or folder you want to export. Right-click it in the Explorer and choose Download. For single files, your browser will usually prompt to save right away. For folders or multiple files, Emergent may bundle them into a zip before starting the download. If you don't see the download option immediately, make sure you're right-clicking in the file list and not inside an editor tab. When your browser's Save dialog appears, pick the destination folder on your computer. If you see a prompt asking to allow downloads from this site, click Allow so the transfer can proceed. Confirm by pressing Save. If your browser saves automatically, check your Downloads folder for the file or zip. After it finishes, you can move or rename it as needed, just like any other file on your system. That's it. You've opened the Emergent AI workspace in your browser and downloaded your code without a subscription. If something doesn't start downloading, look for a blocked pop-up or a permissions prompt in your browser, then try again. Thanks for watching and happy building.